Assalamu alaikum students, your English teacher is here with another exciting lesson. I hope all of you are happy and healthy. In today's lesson, we are going to complete the story The Hungry Monster. Before we start reading from page number 11, let's first quickly recap the story we've read so far. This is Mango Jango, the monster, who has red ears, green wings, blue tail, and six legs. He went to Sarah, Ali, and Fiza's home. Both Ali and Sarah became afraid and ran away. Let's read from page number 11. The monster looks at Fiza. Can you help me? He asks. I'm very thirsty. Please give me some water. Fiza isn't afraid. Here you are, she says. She gives him some water. Thank you, says Mango Jango. He drinks the water. Look, Fiza isn't afraid at all, and Mango Jango is drinking water given by Fiza. The monster looks at Fiza. Can you help me? He asks. I'm very hungry. Please give me some mangoes. Here you are, she says. She gives him some mangoes. Thank you, says Mango Jango. He eats the mangoes. Mango Jango looks so happy while eating the mangoes. The monster is happy now. He is very sleepy too. He sits under the chair, then he goes to sleep. Good monster, says Fiza. Homework time! Word sentences. I want you to make sentences of these five words: hungry, under, tail, afraid, home. Once you've completed your homework, email it to me at sarahharshmi83 at the rate of gmail.com. That's all for today. Goodbye.